Hi everybody.
Hi.
We are here today at the Animal Kingdom, and so we were going to go on Rite of Passage and go see the tiger, have some Joffreys, and see what other trouble we can get into.
Yep.
Ready?
Ready.
Andiamo.
Hi, Donald. How are you? You look so good. I love the feathers. Is that from like? Oh, do you like my ensemble? I don't know. I'm trying to keep up with Daisy because she's always so fashionable, right? You love her, I know. I love her. Yeah, I love her clothes. She's so stylish. But oh, yeah. Oh, she's so. I know. I saw her thing, and she made all her clothes. Yes, over there, like that way, right? Exactly. But you look good. Did she make your jacket? Did she make this? Yeah. Oh, lovely. And the feathers makes the outfit for sure, right? Thank you, Donald. Nice to see you. Thank you. Bye.
There's three.
Difficult. I don't know. I can't be a stylish. Love your clothes.
That's a good point.
Love your glasses. Awesome.
Thank you. Well, that's about it for today. We had a good time at the Animal Kingdom.
Yes, we did.
And I had a nice solo ride on Expedition Everest. Saw a little bit of the tiger and everything.
He was sleeping, but it was
And
on.
yeah, we came back and went for a swim, spent some time in the tub, and then had dinner. And then watched the LSU Mississippi game, which unfortunately did not go LSU's way, but it was a very good game. It was a great game.
What was it, 55-49?
Yeah,
Ole Miss
yeah.
beat LSU.
So hang in there, boys.
Even in spite of my lucky scrunchie. Well, actually, my lucky scrunchie helped them get get the score closer. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, that was it.
It's my lucky scrunchie. So anyway,
so
a good game. I still love my Tigers, even though I scream and say, But it was really fun. Fun evening hanging out with my hubby in the large one-bedroom at Saratoga Springs.
So, tomorrow's our last day here, and we will see you then. Yeah, that's okay. This has been a great vacation. Great vacation. So
it's been great. So hopefully you've enjoyed all of our videos that will be posted eventually.
Yeah. So. And so thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Ciao.